null or zero matrices. So basically, any square or rectangular matrix in which all the elements are zero is called a null or zero matrix. That's about it really. It is denoted by this big O, and here are some examples. See this matrix here? It is a 1 by 1 square matrix, and the only element in it is 0. So this is a null or zero matrix. This matrix here, it is a 2 by 2 square matrix. All the elements are 0. So it is also a null or zero matrix. This matrix here, it is a 2 by 3 rectangular matrix. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. And every element in this rectangular matrix is 0. So it is also a null or zero matrix. And that's about it really. Now what are equal matrices? For two matrices to be equal, there are two conditions. They must be of the same order, so the number of rows and columns of both matrices must be equal, and their corresponding entries must also be equal. So what this means is, see, let's have two matrices A and B. What this represents is the element of A in the ith row and jth column. Similarly here, the element of B in the same ith row and jth column. So basically the element of A in the and B at the element of A and B in the exact same positions in both matrices. So if they are both, if every corresponding element of A and B is equal, then the matrices A and B are also equal. What this really means is, let's take matrix A here as 1, 2. Let's take matrix B as 1, 2. So by just looking at them, you can tell that A and B are both equal. But to justify this explanation we made, this element of A is the element in the first row and first column of A, and this is in the first row and first column of B. They are both equal, so we've ticked that one. And the second element of A, 2, is in the first row, second column of A, and the second element of B here is in the first row and second column of B. They are both also equal, so we have also ticked that, and hence A is equal to B. That's about it really. So I and J can both be any real numbers. Let me just remember that A and B must be of the same order. The corresponding entries must be equal for A and B to be equal matrices. So another example, just to clarify, is, let's just say we have matrix A here. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Matrix B, 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are both of the order 2 by 2, and their corresponding entries are equal: 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. So A is equal to B.